9/21, while it may be Taco Tuesday, some people may want a meatless version for Lent. Don't worry. Camellia brand chef Jamie Warrick has put her own spin on nachos, swapping the meat out for some crawfish, which is A-OK to eat during Lent. We are happy to have Chef Jamie in the Fox 8 kitchen this morning with her take on nachos. Good morning,
Chef. Thank you for having me.
I'm excited. You brought an apron for me so that I can get dirty today.
Of course.
You're going to put me to work, huh?
Yes. So we are going to make some crawfish nachos with our Cajun caviar that we made last time I was here.
Yes, delicious stuff.
So this one has our lady cream peas, our green baby limas, and our crowdle peas in there.
Is this the lady cream peas?
No, this is actually cannellini beans that we're going to use to make cheese sauce.
Yeah, so that's the main thing about nachos. The cheese has to be good, right?
But in this case, we're adding beans to
our cheese
sauce.
All right, so what do we do?
So we're going to take our cannellini beans, and we're just going to add them right on into our warm milk.
Okay.
And then from there...
You got that kind of getting toward a simmer.
Yes.
On medium or so.
Of course.
Right.
And so while that's working, we're going to talk more about the...
Let's do it.
The Cajun caviar. So we also have some tomatoes, some red onion. We have some poblano peppers.
All those bright flavors that really bring it back to the traditional nacho.
Yes, and they go really well with the crawfish that we have here. We sauteed that earlier. And so with this, we're going to take this and we are going to pour.
Okay. Get the cannellini beans in there. That's going to give the cheese, I'm assuming, a meatier texture, right?
And
even though it's meatless.
A great way to add some more protein to these nachos.
And you're using the immersion blender, right?
I sure am. And so
not the submersion blender.
No.
Right?
Of course, you can use the regular blender if you don't have one of these at home.
But those are fun. If you don't have one of these are fun.
Yes. So we are going to lay that there.
All right, back in.
And then that gets nice and creamy.
Look at that.
Right?
What a secret.
It's different.
I love it.
Okay, so
we got to have some cheese though, right?
Now
what do we got?
We have some cheddar here.
Okay, cheddar.
So we have white cheddar and yellow cheddar. And then you're going to add just a little bit in there.
I'll add it in.
Just a little bit? Yeah.
Okay. Is that too much?
Nope, it's user's choice.
All right, I'm a user then. Here you go.
That's good. So you're going to go ahead and start stirring that up.
Yes, ma'am. All right.
And get that done. But the good thing is we've already got some cheese sauce already done. So then you can start putting this together.
All right.
We're going to take some Monterey Jack cheese and put it on top of
So we've got our plate of chips. And pick whatever chips you'd like. And some Monterey Jack.
Of course.
That's going to kind of give it a little bit more of that nice, overarching cheesy flavor across the board.
Of course. So we're going to take some of our white bean cheese sauce. And this recipe is on CameliaBrand.com along with the Cajun caviar.
Cheese sauce.
Right? It's something super different.
Yeah, and then so you're getting some protein in there.
Of course.
Well. It's kind of a healthy.
All right, you can add a little more cheese on top.
A little more cheese.
Of course.
All right.
And then take some of this crawfish.
Okay, a little crawfish.
Put a little crawfish on top.
Pinch of crawfish. Ooh, pinch
and then
the tail.
We're going to do something special.
Pinch the tail.
We're going to run this in the oven, put a little more cheese on top.
All right, more cheese.
Yes. So we're going to put this in the oven.
Glob of cheese.
That's okay.
That's all right.
We're going to put this in the oven.
Never too much cheese, right?
And then we have some camera magic happening here.
Whoa. Just like that.
So the plate enlarges.
The plate got bigger.
All right, so on this
love it.
You can add some more crawfish on top.
All right.
You can take some of this caviar and put it on top, and it's nice and fresh and light with all those beans in there.
Ooh, this is starting to look super pretty.
Right? All right, that's good.
I love it.
There you go.
All right.
All right. So the more toppings you have,
knock this one
you can
out,
use different beans in this recipe as well.
Okay.
You can use black eyes.
The white beans are going to work the best. Here,
of course.
Let's move this here so that we can see it.
Of course.
So we're tortilla cheese, I see.
Of course. We're going to add some cheese to it. Some pepitas, which are roasted pumpkin
and I got to
seeds.
have some jalapenos too,
These
right?
are serranos, actually.
Okay, I like that too.
Serranos are a little bit spicier.
Smaller and spicier.
Yes.
Packs a punch. Chef Jamie, thank you so much. This looks fantastic. A little pickle red onion never hurts. Give it a nice little bite. And look at those beautiful colors for your meatless nachos. No one's ever going to believe that there's not meat in it because that cheese is so meaty because of the white beans. I love that secret so much.
Yep.
I'm going to try that at home. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
I learn something every time you're here. All right. Time now, 9